Hi guys and welcome to my channel. In today's video I decided to show you how to create different images using just one light. Lights are expensive, so in the beginning we often start with just one light and maybe one modifier. For this shoot I chose my striped softbox to be the hero. So we start with one of my favorite ways to shoot in the studio. I position the softbox on one side of my model and facing straight ahead. And my model stood one step behind the softbox with her face turned to it. One of the reasons why I didn't point the softbox directly at my model's face is because I didn't want the light from the softbox to hit the background. I wanted the background to look as black as it can be. Using the light setup, I also create a gradient from light to dark on her face. If you want, you can point the softbox straight at the model like I did in those pictures.
Our feelings never tense. We don't need no water under the bridge. We're the good part, the happy ending.
The next way is to position the softbox in front of the model and stand between them. To do this, you need as big of a softbox as you can get to avoid casting a shadow on your model. The third way you can use your softbox is if you place it into the side of the model and remove the first diffusing layer. That way you can get a harsher light.
We're the good part, we never fake it.
As you can see, I played around with the model's or mine position relative to the light. That way you can get a picture with a different vibe. Talking of a different vibe, you can see that the model changed her clothes for each scene. In the last set of photos, I kept the light setup but changed the background color to white. As you can see in the picture, they have a totally different look from the previous ones. I hope that I showed you can be creative no matter the circumstances or equipment that you have. If you found that useful, give the video a like or better yet subscribe. Bye!